This will not stay shut. Today's job is to try and fix this shaver. The tiny tab on this side has broken off. The clip has popped out of its place, and the tiny spring, which is only a couple of millimeters long, has disappeared down the sink, I think. Without it, this will not stay shut, and it's a shame because it's actually quite a good shaver. I've found this very small O-ring. That's the smallest thing I've got, and I was maybe going to cut it or part of it and put it around there, force it into there, and the next thing would be how to make this a kind of fork effect with prongs. How that I can keep that gripping so as it doesn't pop out again. So step one, I've cut the O-ring in half. So I've just put the O-ring around the fork kind of part of that, and it's just giving it a little bit of spring, and when I shut this, it's actually gripping. So there you go, look at that. So tiny bit of rubber. So my next challenge is how to stop this shooting out again, because there's not much there. If you can see that, to grip, see there's the tab is missing on the left hand side, but on the right hand side it's not too bad. How do I stop that squeezing together and popping out again, because that's what's caused the problem in the beginning? So what I've decided to do is to use this cheap rigid plastic glue, which I've actually used on a few other projects and it's been quite good. And I'm going to put some glue just in the back here, snap this shut and see if it will basically stop that little clip from popping out. And what came out of the tube was a kind of rubbery blob, which is soft and pliable. So hopefully that will set and not interfere with that little rotor thing. So I'll snap this shut and see what happens.